Another man's calling for rain today, so I thought we might sit by the window while I play you a love song. Don't mind the lightning and thunder, just sit close to me under my arm. I'll hold the chords while you strum along, and we'll be safe from harm. You and me together for a couple of hours, just watching the weather fall outside the window. This storm could be so beautiful. These clouds could be sunshine. This heart of mine was yours and yours was mine. This rainy day would be just fine. This rainy day would be just fine. There's nobody here except you and me. And the gently swaying trees with leaves of glistening green. What's so wrong with being happy about a gray sky when I got you, girl, by my side? And we'll be safe from harm. You and me together for a couple of hours, just watching the weather fall outside the window. Ooh, this storm could be so beautiful. These clouds could be sunshine. This heart of mine was yours and yours was mine. This rainy day would be just fine by my side, and we'll be safe from harm. You and me together for a couple of hours, just watching the weather fall outside the window. Ooh, this storm could be so beautiful. These clouds could be sunshine. This heart of mine was yours and yours was mine. This rainy day would be just fine. Come rain, come shine. Well, come on, girl, I made up my mind. You're the one turning these gray skies into sunshine. When I look at you and I see that little smile, this storm could be so beautiful. These clouds could be sunshine. This heart of mine was yours and yours was mine. This rainy day would be just fine. This storm could be so beautiful. These clouds could be sunshine. This heart of mine was yours and yours was mine. This rainy day would be just fine. This rainy day would